Hey friends, ever look at your small balcony and wonder what more it could be? Well, grab a cup of tea and get comfy because today we're transforming that tiny space into a bright and cozy vertical garden using reclaimed wood and upcycled charm. Let's jump into DIY project for your greener balcony. Turn an old wooden ladder into a charming tiered planter. Just sand it down, paint it a soft pastel or weathered gray, and lean it against the wall. Pop in potted herbs or trailing flowers on each step. Instant cottagecore vibes. Stack up vintage wooden crates vertically and fill them with soil and plants. You can screw them together for safety, add a little stenciled label like basil or blooms, and boom, you've got a rustic vertical garden tower. Mount a wide reclaimed plank to your balcony wall, add hooks or nails, and hang cute tin cans or mason jars filled with herbs. Label each one and let your kitchen garden grow upward in the freshest way possible. A standing pallet leaned vertically becomes the perfect garden backdrop. Tuck in small plant pots or grow bags between the slats. Add a coat of matte gray paint and hang fairy lights for a magical nighttime glow. Got an old wooden dresser? Salvage the drawers? Mount them staggered on your wall to create deep planter boxes. Add some pastel cushions underneath, and you've got a mini bench plus garden combo. Old window frames or wooden picture frames make adorable mini trellises. Just stand them up or fix them to a railing. Train sweet peas, beans, or flowering vines to climb up and give your garden texture and height. Turn an old reclaimed wood coffee table into a mini greenhouse. Remove the top, insert clear plastic panels, and use it to protect delicate herbs or seedlings. Cozy and functional. Screw a strip of wood to your wall and add strong hooks. Hang wicker baskets filled with trailing plants like ivy or petunias. The mix of textures is so dreamy. A vintage folding screen made of reclaimed slats makes an excellent vertical plant wall. Paint it in a chalky gray, attach tiny pots with wire or clamps, and you've got movable plant art. Add slim reclaimed wood shelves directly to your railing or wall. They're perfect for small pots, candles, or even hanging lights. It's space-saving and seriously cute. So there you have it. Cozy, creative, and totally upcycled ways to turn your tiny balcony into a vertical garden paradise. All it takes is a little reclaimed wood, a dash of imagination, and a love for making space feel like home. Now it's your turn. Turn that small patio into a cozy patio garden. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a little green in their life.